Good day everyone, Sir Ian here and welcome to IG Science Outlook, your quick guide for all your science tutorials. So let's get started. Today, we will solve sample problem on integrated rate law for zero order reaction. Now I have here a sample problem. The decomposition of a certain chemical compound AB follows a zero order reaction. The initial concentration of the compound AB is 0.25 molar at a certain temperature. Find the rate constant of the compound AB where its concentration drops to 0.1 molar after 30 minutes from the start of the reaction. Now, the first thing to do in solving a problem is to state what is given. And for this particular example, the chemical equation takes the form AB dissociating into a product. The other given are concentration of EB initial is equal to 0.25 molar and the concentration of EB at time is equal to 30 minutes is given to be 0.1 molar. So the time in here is 30 minutes. And what is asked in the problem is the rate constant K. Now, the integrated rate law for zero-order reaction is given by this equation. Concentration of EB is equal to the initial concentration of AB minus KT. Rearranging the equation to solve for K, we have K is equal to concentration of EB initial minus concentration of AB at time equal to 30 minutes divided by the time t. Substituting the values, we have the rate constant K is equal to 0.25 molar minus 0.1 molar divided by 30 minutes. Calculating, we get the value of K equal to 5 times 10 to the minus 3 molar per minute. That's all for today. See you next time.